Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to top up your PayPal account via Mpesa. We will begin by outlining the essential steps for linking your Mpesa and PayPal accounts, ensuring a smooth connection. Then, we will delve into the specifics of the Safaricom Mpesa to PayPal service, highlighting its key features. Finally, I will guide you through the necessary requirements to ensure a successful and hassle-free top-up process, making your transactions simple and efficient. To begin, you will need to register for the Mpesa to PayPal service. This can be done conveniently through the Safaricom portal or by using a simple UST code on your mobile phone. Once registered, you must authorize the connection between your Mpesa and PayPal accounts. It is crucial to ensure that the names on both accounts match exactly for successful verification, preventing any potential delays or issues during the linking process. Once your accounts are linked, topping up is straightforward. Access the Mpesa to PayPal service menu on your phone. From there, select the Clear Top-Up PayPal option. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer, which should be specified in United States dollars. Finally, confirm the transaction by entering your Mpesa PIN. This secure step ensures only authorized transfers are completed. It is important to be aware of the transaction fees applied by Safaricom for this convenient service. Also, understand the minimum and maximum transfer limits per transaction to plan your top-ups effectively. Upon a successful transfer, you will receive an SMS confirmation from both Mpesa and PayPal, providing peace of mind. Please allow a few minutes, typically up to 5 minutes, for the funds to reflect accurately in your PayPal balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.